We will use Dashcam 66W to show you how to use a computer to update your Dashcam. First, remove your Dashcam from the car. Go to Garmin website and download Garmin Express. After the installation is complete, open Garmin Express. Connect your Dashcam to your computer. Select Add a device. After the adding process is complete, Garmin Express will automatically check for updates. Select Install. After the process is complete, remove your device. Install your Dashcam back to the car. Once the device is powered, it will start updating automatically. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the basic settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching.